Have you ever wondered why your blood sugar is high in the morning, even if you didn't eat anything sweet the night before? You go to bed thinking you're doing everything right, but somehow you wake up with fatigue, brain fog, and numbers that just do not make sense. Most of us are used to eating our largest meal in the evening, often after 8 o'clock. But insulin sensitivity decreases at night. If your dinner is high in refined carbohydrates or sugars, you are flooding your system with glucose. A short walk after dinner, just 10 to 15 minutes of gentle movement, can significantly reduce post-meal blood sugar. When you move your muscles, they pull glucose from your bloodstream for energy by passing insulin. That means your blood sugar starts to stabilize right away. When your room is too warm, your body struggles to release heat, and that can interfere with metabolic processes. But melatonin also affects insulin. If your melatonin is low, your body may release too much insulin till late at night, leading to crashes or spikes. The best way to support natural melatonin production is to reduce artificial light exposure in the evening. Avoid bright screens, use warm, dim lighting. And if you want to go further, wear blue light-blocking glasses after sunset. This helps your body follow its natural rhythm and improves both sleep and glucose regulation. Try lowering your thermostat to around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Wear breathable clothing and avoid heavy blankets. But if you want an extra layer of support, consider the natural supplement linked in the description. Your body is working for you, even while you sleep. Give it the tools it needs. Start tonight. It is designed to help your body maintain balanced glucose levels while you sleep. No stimulants, no chemicals, just clean, science-backed ingredients that work in harmony with your nightly routine. Thousands are already seeing results, and now it's your turn. If you feel hungry before bed, choose a low-carb, protein-rich snack. This happens when your blood sugar drops to low during the night. Your body responds by releasing adrenaline and cortisol to bring it back up, which often results in morning glucose spikes. Symptoms include waking up suddenly, sweating at night, or having vivid dreams. If you suspect this, consider wearing a continuous glucose monitor or tracking your levels before bed and upon waking. And once again, stable meals and low glycemic snacks can help prevent this dangerous swing. A boiled egg, a few almonds, or a spoon of natural peanut butter. Always drink water throughout the day and especially in the evening. Keep it low in carbs, rich in protein and fiber. Take a 10-minute walk after dinner. Dim your lights, avoid screens. Practice deep breathing, cool your room, and if you feel hungry, go for a light, protein-based snack. These small changes combine to create a powerful shift in your glucose control. And when your body rests better, everything improves: your mood, your weight, your energy, even your cravings the next day. A glass of water before bed supports kidney function and helps the body filter glucose more effectively. Just be careful not to drink too much to avoid waking up during the night to use the bathroom. These foods help keep blood sugar stable and prevent midnight glucose drops that can wake you up. Avoid sweet snacks, fruit, cereal, or anything with added sugars. These create false hunger, spike your insulin, and disrupt your sleep cycle. Your body sleeps better in a slightly cool environment, and better sleep means better blood sugar. You don't need to do intense exercise. Just walk around your home, take a stroll outside, or even stretch. Make this a habit and you will notice the difference in your morning numbers. White rice, pasta, bread, sugary sauces, these are all triggers for nighttime spikes. And while your body might process them during the day, at night it struggles. Instead, focus on meals rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Grilled chicken with vegetables, a salad with avocado and olive oil, or salmon with leafy greens. These meals digest more slowly, provide stable energy, and support hormonal balance during sleep. That means your body is less efficient at clearing glucose from your bloodstream. A meal that would be fine at noon can cause a huge spike at 9. And if you go to bed shortly after eating, if you are checking emails, arguing with someone, watching intense news, or scrolling through social media, your body is in alert mode. That alert mode keeps glucose elevated, even if you have not eaten anything. Instead, build a calming routine in the final hour before sleep. Dim the lights, turn off screens, listen to music, read a book, or do deep breathing exercises. Meditation, even just 5 minutes, can activate your parasympathetic nervous system and help lower both stress and glucose naturally. Your body spends the first few hours of sleep trying to manage digestion, not recovery. If you want to improve your blood sugar overnight, aim to eat your last meal at least 3 hours before bedtime. This one change alone can improve fasting glucose levels dramatically. The truth is, your body is not just resting while you sleep, it is doing critical work. And if your blood sugar is out of balance before bedtime, that healing process is completely disrupted. That is why in this video you will learn exactly how to control your blood sugar before sleep. What you eat when you eat, how you relax, even the light in your room can either help stabilize your glucose or silently sabotage it. And if you want a natural supplement that supports healthy glucose levels overnight, check the link in the description. Thousands of people have already added it to their routine and are seeing better sleep, better energy, and better control in the morning. But let's start with what your body actually goes through during sleep. At night, your body enters a unique metabolic state. It is not the same as when you are awake. Hormones shift. The liver begins its deep cleaning phase. Your muscles repair. Your brain consolidates memories, but none of that can happen efficiently if your blood sugar is high. Elevated glucose at night leads to fragmented sleep. You spend less time in deep sleep stages, which means your cortisol stays elevated. And when cortisol is high, insulin resistance increases. It becomes a loop. Poor sleep leads to higher blood sugar. Higher blood sugar leads to even worse sleep. This is why so many people feel exhausted no matter how many hours they sleep. One of the biggest mistakes people make is eating dinner too late. But timing is only part of the story. What you eat at night matters just as much. Let's talk about one of the most powerful but overlooked tools for nighttime glucose control. Another key factor is managing stress before bed. Stress triggers the release of cortisol and adrenaline, both of which raise blood sugar. Now let's talk about something many people overlook: sleep temperature. Research shows that sleeping in a cooler environment helps regulate glucose better. Let's not forget the role of melatonin. This is the hormone your body releases in the evening to prepare you for sleep. For those who struggle with nighttime cravings, here is a practical tip. Now let's go even deeper. One of the most dangerous but invisible issues is nocturnal hypoglycemia. Hydration is also crucial. If you are dehydrated, your blood becomes more concentrated with glucose. So, what should your ideal nighttime routine look like? Eat your last meal 3 hours before bed. Now, if you made it this far, you already understand how powerful nighttime habits can be. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.